Greetings, greetings. Yeah, I'm here in South Africa, as you can see in the background. Whenever they show you these jungle scenes of Africa, only never show you the beauty of the continent. Thought it was fitting for me to have the continent behind me, so enjoy that view. All right. Hopefully, my bald head isn't in the way. Okay, so today what I want to do is a couple of my students, since we're doing this distant learning thing. I'm having to send them work and then they have to send it back to me. And as a way we're doing it electronically, where I can actually make, and actually one of my colleagues or my coworker shared with me PDF Escape, which has really been a wonder. Um, All right, let's go ahead and get going with this. We're going to go ahead and go over how you're able to get the fillable PDFs that I'm sending to some of my students. A couple of you are having some issues with this, so I want to go ahead and go over this really quickly. Okay, the first thing we want to do is go ahead to your email because I have sent it to your email. Okay, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and go down to the file that I send to my students, which has your homework. So when you click on the homework link that I send out on your email, it's going to have the agenda for today. As you see here, each one of the subjects I'm covering. At the very bottom, you're going to have fillable assignments that you're going to type them in and send them right back to me. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. Okay, right now I'm on a laptop. It also works the same way on a desktop. The first thing you do is click on one of these that say I want to download. You're gonna have to download all of these if these are your assignments. Okay, so let me click this one right here. There's a download button right here, but sometimes you can just click in the middle here and it'll still download. So I'm gonna go ahead and click, since I have that arrow button there, I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And when I do that, it gives me a box here where I can actually change the name of it. This is what you want to do because that way you don't get confused from the original title. Okay, so the one I'm dealing with is bar graphs. So I'm just going to put bar graph just so it can be easy for me to find right now. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to put it in a folder. So you should have a folder with your name on it, or even maybe for some of you, I notice you have a folder that has the day of the assignment, so you can keep all of your assignments together. Okay, so this one right here, I'm going to put this one in this Barney Jackson folder right here. It has some other things in here, but it shouldn't be hard to find because I have it listed as bar graph. I save it, and when you save that, it's automatically going to go into that folder and it's automatically going to be a fillable so you can start typing in it. Okay, so let me go and get that folder. All right, so when we open up the Barney Jackson folder here, we have bar graph. Double click on it, and when it opens up, you should be able to just type right on in. And we'll do a sample. We'll show you how. Okay, so at the top here, say I want to put name. I'll go ahead and put Barney. Okay, so we got Barney up there, and then so say here, there's little boxes here. Okay, hypothetically speaking, let's say if those are the right answers, now you're ready to turn it in. At this point, you take your cursor and move up here, all the way to the left on the top here, where it says File. Click on that, and then it says Save As. When you do that, go to Save As, and then you can either leave it the same name or change it. I would change it to maybe something else, or if you want to just put bar graph finished, so you can differentiate the one that you know that you're it's ready to send to me. And so that's what we'll go ahead and do. Okay, so it's going to go to Barney Jackson. I'm going to leave it in that folder. Okay, and so I'll go ahead and click on there. And then it's going to give me an option to change it. And so I'm going to go ahead and change it. It's already bar graph, so I'm going to make it bar graph finished. Okay, then I'll go ahead and save. And when you do that, now it's saved. The last thing it saved, and you changed it, it's going to have everything that you typed in there. And so that means it's ready to send to me. As long as you title it correctly, go ahead and send it out. And this is how you send it out. We'll go ahead back to our email. And then I'm going to go here to compose here in the emails here. When you do that, you want to put my name, and if you sent me something before, and then the next stage is what you want to do. You see at the bottom here where there's a paper clip in your box here, in your compose box, just click that paper clip. What that's going to do is that's going to give you the ability to go into your computer and grab what you need. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on desktop since that's where my folder Barney Jackson is at. Okay, I'll double click on that. And on the last file I made was bar graph finish. I click on that once, it goes in the box here. I just click the open button and it's automatically saved for me ready to send to the teacher. And so this right here is math work, and that's it. You just send it off and it's sent. It's sent to me and I have it. And so what you might want to do is wait till you finish all the assignments and then just attach each one individually like that and then send them all to me. It's just that simple. All right. Hopefully you guys, hopefully that was helpful. And if not, I would rewind, go back through it and, until you get it.